Good morning. As you guys can hear, I'm a little sick. So it's been 2 days that I've been really... Okay guys, editing Mary over here, but I just realized I never did an intro, but hey, what's up? My name is Maryybeatrice. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I forgot my intro and everything, but I also sound very sick in the video. I'm so sorry. Bear with me, but yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, bye! I do like getting fruits in for the day just because like I love having fresh fruits in the morning, and trying different kinds of fruits in the morning is really good for me. And lately what I've been loving are peaches. So we got these peaches, they were on sale and we got like a whole bunch of them. I like to eat all my protein, my carbs in the morning, and then have my fruits. I like to have a really good breakfast in the morning, and then so throughout the day I can like balance myself out. And if I don't have a breakfast in the morning, I would literally get so dizzy, I would get so grouchy and not cute. So let's cut up these peaches and yeah. Good morning. I'm gonna dig in, but my favorite thing is ketchup. I'm obsessed. It's actually not even funny. Like, I love ketchup and have it with almost every meal. It's bad, I know, but I'm gonna go have my breakfast and then I'll show you guys my supplements and my vitamins afterwards, and then we shall see you for lunch. These are all the vitamins that I take. So starting off with this one, this is the multivitamins that I've been taking. This one has vitamin A, C, D, E, niacin, vitamin B, C, folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, pantothenic acid. There's also calcium, iodine, zinc, chromium, inositol, and boron. So I take about 2 of these. Omega-3. I've been taking my omega-3 for a while now, and it's been really helpful with my skin and just overall like growing my hair and all that good stuff. It also helps with cognitive health and brain function. There's that. Also, don't mind my nails. I literally broke my nails. I'm getting them done again today, but I broke them at work. Ooh. Next up is magnesium. Okay, for all of my anxiety girlies, magnesium has really helped me with my anxiety, helped me calm down, and also been helpful with my skin that I've noticed. So it just really helps me like regulate my hormones and just makes me more calm and lower my cortisol level. Don't get me twisted on that. I'm not sure that's a fact, but it's just something that I experienced. So magnesium, I take one in the day, and then if I still feel a little tense or off edge by the night, it helps me really. I take one at night as well. It helps me calm down. All right, next up is vitamin C. Definitely need this right now, as you can hear from my voice, but Vitamin C has been really helpful for me, or at least I thought so. Fun fact, I actually just started using this just a month ago, so I don't know, I still got sick but I still use it. My mom gave it to me and my mom's been telling me to take it, so I'm just gonna do what my mom tells me to do and take it anyway. So here we are, vitamin C. Next up, iron. So I've got the mild iron, which is gentle on the stomach, and this one helps with iron deficiency and anemia. So growing up, I've always had this struggle with my blood sugar and my overall blood health. And if I don't eat a certain time as soon as I wake up, or if I don't eat for like hours, I will pass out and I will get cold, and it's just not cute. And I will get tired, and it's enough. All right, guys, we're on our way to get some lunch. Hey guys, is this a realistic thing that we do every weekend? We eat so healthy, right?
Nope.
We were so tempted to go to McDonald's instead of Freshie, but you know what? We're gonna keep going and we're just gonna keep trying to eat healthy. Freshie! Here we are. Freshie. We have a buffalo. That one is actually really good. Okay guys, we got the Freshie ginger shot because the way I'm sounding right now is not good. So, should we give it a try? Am I having it with you?
Yeah. Is that okay? Sure. We got vitamin water, man. We have like the whole fight the cold.
We're really trying to fight this cold right now.
We're strapping up.
Oh, that is true.
Yeah, exactly.
That's true as hell.
I thought you were joking.
Yeah, my cold better be gone after this. Ready? Cheers.
Half.
Better now, guys. Okay, your turn. Hey, buddy, take a shot. I told you. And you're like, cheers. It's so good, right? We should make our own. Let's make our own, babe. Let's keep the bottle. Alright, this is our lunch, guys. So our lunch.
To our traditional family.
All thanks to our traditional family, we get to experience ginger shots. So we got the spicy buffalo. I got the buffalo on the side and he got his. And I got less jalapenos. Because I'm not trying to fight it right now, okay? I already have a cold. Here you go, sir. Yeah, so I got mine on the side so I can drizzle. And he got his with it. Here, let's go eat. Finished it, killed it. Woohoo! Yeah. Friends, it's been a few hours now, and after lunch we just kind of walked around the area. We went to the mall and walked around. We were gonna grab some, we're gonna shop for some stuff, but we ended up just not shopping for anything, and we just wanted to go home and rest up because, as you guys can hear, I'm still very sick, and I've been resting for a couple hours now. I've been watching TikTok, way too many TikTok. I just had a little snack. My snack is a pumpkin spice latte. My boyfriend got one for me, and today they had a deal of buy one get one 50% off. So he only paid for $8, and honestly, love that for him. So yeah, but currently resting for a bit, and then we're gonna go head to the superstore. We're gonna go see if we can make some soup. I'm craving this one Filipino soup. It's called lugaw. And my mom always makes it when we're like sick and tired, so I'm gonna be making that for me. My boyfriend doesn't really like it like that. He likes the sopas better, but he has no choice. So we're gonna go here in a little bit. I'm just resting a little bit. I'm just lazy. But yeah, we'll see you at the superstore.